Hey guys, welcome to Chai Time. Today we are going to see soya pulao recipe. For this, I have taken 1 cup of soya and soaked in hot water and then squeezed the water out. Then take 1 cup of peas and soak them overnight. And then in a jar, add 2 large pieces of coconut and 2 pieces of ginger. And then choose cinnamons and 10 green chilies for taste and 7 cloves. And few fennel seeds and then 2 garlics and few mint leaves and few coriander leaves and grind them well. And keep this paste aside. Now take a pressure cooker and add 7 spoons of oil and 4 to 5 bay leaves and 2 cinnamons and cardamoms and 1 star anise and 7 cloves and just mix them well. And now have sliced 1.5 onions and just fry them well. Now you have to add 4 sliced green chilies and just fry them well. Now it's the time to add soaked soyas. So now you have to add the soya chunks and just give a good fry in the oil so that it will be a bit crispier in this recipe. After giving a good mix for soyas, now we are going to add 2 sliced tomatoes into it and just give a good mix. Now take the paste which we have kept aside and pour everything. Then just give a good mix and make sure the smell of the paste goes off. The raw smell. When the raw smell of the paste goes off, now it's the time to add a glass of water. So what I'm doing is I'm just putting a glass of water in the jar so that I will get the leftover essence of the paste, and then I'm pouring the same into it and just giving a good mix and adding a few peas which I have soaked and kept overnight. And pulao is a recipe where we have to add vegetables, so I'm adding just 10 pieces of beans. If you want, you can even add carrot and even something if you have any other vegetables, and few salts as per your taste. Now add few pudina leaves or mint leaves and some coriander leaves and just give a good mix. Recipe is thing which you have to give good mix always. And now add a few pinch of turmeric powder. See, as soon as you add the turmeric powder, the glaze and the color of the recipe just changes like a boom. See, this texture has become a gravy texture. As soon as this becomes gravy texture, it's time to add rice. I have soaked and kept some 3 cups of rice for half an hour. And now, after it gets soaked well, you just add the 3 cups of rice into this. Okay, then just give a good mix so that each rice will get the essence and the taste of this gravy so well. Okay, then for 3 glass of rice, I am adding 5.5 glass of water so that this will not be so sticky rice. It will be something which will be like fried rice. Means I'm saying about not sticking that thing. And then just give a good mix. As I always say, giving mix will always increase the tastiness. See, after giving good mix, make sure it just heats up well. After it just heats up, just close the lid of the pressure cooker tightly and make sure you leave for 2 whistles. After you get 2 whistles, you just open up and just give a good mix so that each and every taste and essence of this pulao or soya pulao just get mixed up. And now the soya pulao is just ready to serve. Just serve in a hot and yummy soya pulao and just have it and enjoy this essence of nature. Thanks for watching. If you want some more recipes, please comment below so that I will try and upload. Thanks for watching.